one of those roads that all you can do is ride and just look around. Anyway.
I'm just too excited, apparently. I want to hit the beer store.
It's about the riding. It's about the ride. That's what it was about. We got to Forks of the Credit Road.
We're going to show you the gloves. I'm going to speed up a little bit.
It'll be a good ride. Let's go, brothers. Welcome back to the Indestructible channel. We're at the gas station we start half of our vlogs from, it seems.
Starting to
this
be,
year.
Yeah. I mean, last year too. Good starting point.
Today on the vlog, we're heading to Forks of the Credit, which is probably like the nicest scenic motorcycle road closest to us.
Yeah.
Everyone's like, you get your motorcycle license, you go hit up Forks of the Credit. Every year we seem to go there around Matt's birthday. Matt's birthday is tomorrow, but wish him happy birthday in the comments below when this vlog goes live. This vlog will come out a week after Matt's birthday. But girls do like birthday week and stuff like that. So
they do like full birthday weeks.
Yeah, dude, so whatever.
Yeah, well, we're doing a birthday week.
So leave Matt a nice message below. We read all the comments.
But yeah, we're gonna go for a ride, just a quick ride today. Then we're going out with some friends, have some dinner later. But yeah, Forks of the Credit, it's just got some really nice turns in it, which is kind of rare in this part of the GTA or kind of this part of Ontario. Like,
yeah.
There's just not always the best riding. There's a lot of just straight roads or highways. So it's nice kind of like little carvy roads. So we get to do that.
Yeah.
We try to do it at least once every year.
Exactly. It's super scenic. There's a hairpin turn.
There is, yeah.
And yeah, we're just gonna go, it's like 45 minutes from us. What's this guy doing? Oh, someone's stealing, dude.
No way.
Yeah, that guy's running. All right.
He stole some Coors.
We just witnessed some dude trying to, what were they trying to do?
They were trying to steal a 12-pack of Coors. But the guy working there ran after him. He got the beer back. He's bringing it back in right now. The guy put it down and just kept running.
He knew it was over for him.
I had no idea that you could buy beer in gas stations now.
Yeah.
So for people who don't know, in Ontario, like the province of Ontario, for the longest time, you couldn't buy beer or any kind of alcohol at any of the only place you could buy beer or alcohol from was from the LCBO, which one is right there, or the beer store. You couldn't get them from gas stations, any kind of store. So I guess now they're rolling it out. Oh yeah, there's a sign for it.
There you go.
That was the worst explanation I gave, but you know, you get it. You couldn't buy beer in Ontario now, or yeah, this has been bad. Should I just do that again?
No, leave it in. Try it again.
All right, let me try that again. Probably all of this is what's going to end up in the vlog. For those of you that don't live in Ontario, for the longest time, you couldn't be...
Matt's just trying to basically say that you couldn't buy beer...
I can't do it today.
...from anywhere other than the LCBO and the beer store, right? And
that is literally what I was trying to say.
Anyway.
I'm just too excited, apparently. I want to hit the beer store.
All right, so we just like to get out around this time of year for Matt's birthday.
But we've been doing this around my birthday for the last few years.
Yeah.
Like, I remember it's generally, you know, getting on the colder side, but the last couple of years it's been good.
Yeah. Well, with that being said, let's get on these bikes and check out Forks of the Credit. guys, we got to Forks of the Credit Road. Sick.
This is the entranceway, right?
There's another homie there on a Softail with a Springer. All right, so we're gonna rip into Forks of the Credit, maybe grab a quick coffee and then back into the city. Yeah. But it's like, I don't even know if the trees have like started changing the colors yet.
I don't know. I think it's been too nice almost.
Usually this time of year, you know, it looks like fall, but we'll see what happens.
It's just been so like consistently nice the whole summer until now as well, you know? Like the temperature hasn't changed much. Anyways, it'll be a good ride through here. Fun turns. I don't know what I'm doing today.
It'll be a good ride. Let's go, brothers.
did change.
Yeah,
It was actually really nice.
dude, it's so
I was
nice.
just kind of like, I was kind of zoning out. You know what I mean? Like,
Oh, for sure.
I started honestly like looking more. It was weird. I was like, started to like focus more on the scenery than the road.
Yeah, for
Like-
sure. It's one of those roads that all you can do is ride and just look around.
Yeah.
Like it's very like therapeutic.
Yeah.
Doing that for extra credit. It's just like, yeah, I was like, oh, I feel good right now.
Oh, dude, I
was like,
that's what
I'm
I mean.
feeling
It felt
good right
so
now.
good. There was one point though where I was like, kind of like so zoned out. I was like, I gotta speed up a little bit. Like
Yeah,
it was
yeah,
one
yeah.
little, just because like it's so, like you said, you just like it's almost therapeutic. Like I just like it felt nice. The wind on you, all the trees changing
Yeah.
and stuff.
But usually there's a lot of cops here, so heads up, if you're coming to Forks with the credit, don't speed.
Did you see the one we passed?
I didn't see any, so
We passed the cops, and you were still filming when we did it. So I looked behind me for a while too.
oops.
There was one point, it was when we were kind of like, it wasn't like full twisties, it was more just windy.
I didn't
So I was
realize-
just watching behind me for a
I
while.
didn't, I didn't realize there was a cop. So that's the thing, they're hiding.
Yeah,
They're hiding.
and also it was unmarked, right? But I saw it. It's kind of like this kind of road. You actually have to be careful not to speed here because
Yeah.
there's always cops. And honestly, you get to look around. It's just
Oh,
nice scenic. It's more like just like
Yeah, and then the hairpin turn's
yeah,
pretty like,
yeah, that was cool. I forgot about it. I was like, oh,
Yeah.
as we were coming up to
yeah,
it.
you gotta like,
Yeah.
you gotta gear down. I've always wanted to like come here with like a camera crew and have someone like filming us riding that the
Yeah.
whole way, but you can only do so much in one season, so.
Yeah, and that was really just nice, like chill coming in here. That was good.
Oh yeah, super sick.
I get a coffee.
Let's go get a little coffee.
We got hot dogs here.
Sign says hot dogs.
Let's find out.
Don't eat too much.
Oh, that's true.
All right, guys, I don't know where we left off. I think we were just enjoying our coffees and hanging in the sun because it's beautiful out.
Yeah.
We're gonna head back into the city shortly. Traffic's gonna be brutal. Let's show you these gloves that we're bringing out very soon. They won't be out by the time this vlog is out, but they'll be out soon. We may have teased them in other vlogs.
Let's show them the gloves. Let's do that.
Here.
Okay. We're gonna show you the gloves. Ooh, look at that. Damn.
These are, what are we calling them? Sky High?
I think we're calling them the Sky High Roper gloves.
These are the Sky High Roper gloves. They're a full leather glove. I know people have been asking about that for safety, I guess. It's up to you what you ride with. This, if you want, you know, more protection, an MX glove is, if you want more protection, a full leather Roper glove is gonna be good for you. If you wanna like stay cool in the summer, an MX glove is gonna be great, but we should do some leather palm MX gloves as well.
Yes, we should. And also a little feature to add on, these are gonna keep you warm on a cooler day riding too, because they're actually insulated as well.
Look at that.
So they're gonna keep you warm. So
These are warm. These
Yeah.
are a little bit too warm
Yeah.
right now.
yeah, I'm wearing my MX gloves today because it's a really nice day. But a good thing about these gloves too is they're also good. Well, they're good on the bike, but they're also good off the bike. Like they're just good gloves.
Yeah.
Like for sure, like for the Canadian winters, if I wear gloves, these are going to be my gloves. You know.
Yeah, for sure. This doesn't, not just for motorcycle riding, you can wear these for doing yard work. But an idea I had for the Roper gloves, and let us know in the comments what you think of this, and I've never seen this before, but doing a perforated Roper. So the top is all perforated, so you can still wear these in the summer. You're gonna be letting air in. What do you guys think of that idea? Should we make those next spring? Because we're finding these are pretty hot in the middle of summer. What do you think about a perforated pair of Ropers? What do you think?
I think it's a good idea. I like it.
I don't think you're gonna be able to get
I
a
like that
design
idea.
on there. You won't be able to get a design on there, but maybe you can do a little something.
Yeah, maybe we'll do like our logo or something
Yeah.
like that. But good idea.
Let us
'Cause
know what you think.
These again are really good for your kind of fall riding, or again, if you just prefer wearing leather gloves for riding, then they're good. I don't know where I'm going with that. They're good gloves, so whenever we end up getting them out, people should buy them. And maybe we'll do a discount code for them too. Maybe.
Yeah, stay tuned for whatever vlog comes out with these gloves. We just wanted to show you guys Forks the credit. So here it is, and we're gonna head back into the city, take you along that road again.
I mean, you had it. Route works, you know. Are you tired? I don't even know if I'm tired. I'm just kind of like,
I'm just
not nailing this vlog today.
No.
Sorry, guys.
It's about the riding. It's about the ride. That's what it was about. Check out these bikes.
There we go. There we go.
All right, now we get to go back the other way through Forks of the Credit. Let's go. guys, thanks for watching the vlog. See you in the next one. Like and subscribe. Let's go.